Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to go over multiplication lesson 5. We're going to review what we did in lesson 4, but we're going to add a digit. Last time we multiplied 2 digits by 1. Today we're going to be multiplying 3 digits by 1. So let's look at our steps first. Our first step is to multiply the 9 and the 7. Okay, so that's what we're doing first. So we're going to say 9 times 7 is 63. We're going to keep the 3 and regroup the 6. So our second step is to regroup the 6. Okay, I'm going to put tens behind it so I remember why I regrouped it. I regrouped it because it was needed to be in the tens spot. Okay, our next step then is to multiply 9 and the 5. Okay, so we get 9 times 5 is 45 plus 6 is 51. I'm going to put the 1 down and I'm going to group the 5. Okay, our next step is I'm going to add up here. Let's do something real quick and add the 6. Okay, so let's add that so we don't forget. I forgot to say add. There we go. That makes more sense, right? Scoot over so we can see it. All right, now step 4, right, is to multiply the 9 and the 4. Okay, so 9 times 4 is 36 plus, last step, remember, plus add the 5. Okay, so we have 9 times 6 is 36 plus 5 is 41. What am I doing? I should just wrote it because that's what I did with the others. 41. So there's my answer. Good job. All right, let's practice on these. So first and foremost, remember we're going to do 8 times 7. So 8 times 7 is 56. We're going to keep the 6 and regroup the tens place. We're going to do 8 times 8 is 64. And adding the 5 is 69. Keep the tens, because this will be in the tens place, right? And regroup the next one to the next place, which is the hundreds. So 8 times 3 is 24 plus 6 equals 30. So we'll put 30 in front. So our answer is 3,096. Okay, let's do this next one. And I'm going to do my multiplication down at the bottom. So 6 times 4 equals 24. Take the ones place, keep it, regroup the next number. 6 times 8 equals 48 plus the 2 equals 50. So I'm going to keep the 0, regroup the 5. All right, 6 times 9 equals 54 plus 5 equals 59. I have no more numbers, so I have nowhere to regroup. So I'm just going to take 59 and put it in front to make this number 5,904. All right, so here are 2 problems that I want you to work out yourself. Go ahead and pause this video and then come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, you should have said 4 times 2 is 8. There's only one digit, so I didn't have to regroup. 4 times 6 is 24. Carry the 2 up. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 2 is 22. So my answer is 2,248. Okay, let's look at the next one. 7 times 1 is 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Hear that too. 7 times 7 is 49. add 2, 49, 50, 51. Okay, so my answer is 5,117. Great job. That's the end of lesson 5. Go ahead and head back to class craft, and I will see you for lesson 6.